Segmental. What is segmental center of gravity means? What is segmental center of gravity means? Suppose now this is our human body, this is our head component, this is our head component, this is our trunk component. In this trunk, this is thorax and this is abdomen. Here we will be having arms, head, arms, trunk, H-A-T. This is our hat and these are our lower limbs. So if we take upper limb as one segment and lower limb as one segment, trunk as one segment, so it means our body is composed of some segments, upper limb segment, lower limb segment, trunk segment, head segment, like that. So for each and every segment, gravity is going to act on each and every segment. Suppose if I keep like this hand, so here gravity is going to act on my upper limb segment. In this upper limb also, if you divide arm segment, forearm segment, hand segment, then arm segment gravity will act separately, forearm segment gravity will act separately, hand segment gravity will act separately. What is this segmental center of gravity means? All the objects which are on the earth, the gravity is going to pull that object with the gravitational pull. So according to that, our human body will be having so many segments. If you keep like this, gravity will be acting on arm component, forearm component, hand component, like segments. So what we will tell, these three components are three segments. Together center of gravity will be here. Together center of gravity will be here. We are going to take that center of gravity. We are going to take that center of gravity. So okay. So now this is segmental center of gravity. Segmental center of gravity. So here we will be having this arm component, forearm arm segment, forearm segment, and hand segment. Now if you see gravity on each and individual segment, so here gravity will act on hand, gravity on hand, and gravity on forearm, gravity on forearm, and here gravity on arm, gravity on arm, gravity on forearm, gravity on hand. Okay, so gravity also, so this is a gravity, segmental center of gravity. Suppose if we are going to mix these two segments into one segment, suppose if these two segments we are going to treat it like one segment, what will happen? That time gravity position will come here. Gravity position will come here. This is the gravity on forearm and hand. This is the gravity of forearm and hand. Forearm and hand. See, and this is the gravity on arm. So this is the segmental center of gravity. And one more, what if we keep this segment, these two segments, if we mix, what will happen? So if we are going to mix these two segments, then gravity will be somewhere here. Gravity will be somewhere here. Then the gravity on arm, forearm, and hand. Gravity on arm, forearm, and hand. So this is the segmental center of the gravity. Suppose if the segments are in different pattern, now we will see different pattern. If the segments are in different pattern, okay, suppose imagine this is our hand. So here we will be having arm component, this is our forearm component, this is our hand component, Here we will be having one COG, here one COG, here one COG. Now the pattern of thing is, upper limb is like this. Now where we can see the now this we are going to see gravity on arm segment, So here suppose this forearm and hand we are mixing, we are treating it like one segment. So gravity will be here, that gravity downward, gravity on forearm and hand, gravity on forearm and hand. This is the gravity. What if we are going to see here, we will be having three segments: arm segment, forearm segment, and hand segment. Arm segment, gravity is acting downward. Here for our calculation to understand, we mix this forearm segment and hand segment into one segment, that is gravity on forearm and hand. Now I am saying, what if we mix arm segment and forearm segment? If we mix these two segments, center of gravity will be here, out of the body. So that this is the gravity on arm, forearm, and hand. This is the gravity of arm, forearm, and hand. So here center of gravity will be away from the body. Clear? This is segmental center of the gravity.